You wipe down your kitchen every single night, and it still feels sticky, smells faintly off, and somehow looks the same as before you started. That's not a dirty kitchen problem. It's because at least a few of your daily habits are actively respreading grease and bacteria instead of removing them, canceling out your own effort in real time. There are 10 specific mistakes doing this, and the most common one involves the exact rag you're using to clean right now. The oldest fix on this list traces back to ancient Rome. Stay with me, because I'm walking through every single one. Kitchen cleaner brands profit from you cleaning constantly without real results. A spray that never fully solves the problem, paired with habits that quietly respread grease and bacteria, guarantees you keep buying more bottles every few weeks. Every fix for these 10 mistakes costs under $1 total, which is exactly the kind of information a multi-billion-dollar cleaning industry has no reason to correct for you. Number 1. Wiping counters with the same rag used on the stovetop. Grease and food bacteria transfer directly between surfaces. Use separate cloths, $6 for a set of 8, and wash them every 2 to 3 days in warm water. Number 2. Spraying disinfectant and wiping immediately. Most disinfectants need 3 to 10 minutes of contact time to actually kill bacteria. Wiping right away just spreads it around still wet. Number 3. Not cleaning your sponge, which a 2017 scientific report study found harbors up to 54 billion bacteria per cubic centimeter. Microwave a wet sponge for 1 minute daily, 2 cents in electricity. Number 4. Rinsing your cutting board with water only after raw meat. A University of Arizona study found this leaves bacterial counts nearly unchanged. Sanitize with hydrogen peroxide, 10 cents per treatment. Here's the mistake almost everyone makes: using the same cutting board for produce and raw meat without sanitizing between. That single habit transfers bacteria directly onto food you're about to eat raw. Number 5. Leaving dish soap on your sponge undiluted between uses, which actually breeds bacteria in the moist environment rather than preventing it. Rinse and wring fully dry after each use. Number 6. Cleaning your stovetop cold instead of warm. Grease sets and hardens as it cools, making removal harder. Wipe while the surface is still slightly warm, right after cooking. Number 7. Ignoring your garbage disposal, which traps food particles generating odor-causing bacteria. Grind ice cubes with citrus peels weekly, 15 cents per treatment, a method used since disposals became common in the 1940s. Number 8. Not washing reusable produce bags, which a University of Arizona study found carried coliform bacteria in 12% of samples tested. Machine wash monthly in hot water, essentially free. Number 9. Wiping your fridge shelves with plain water instead of an actual degreasing solution. Use 1 tablespoon Castile soap per cup of warm water, 10 cents per application. Number 10. Leaving your dish towel bunched on the counter instead of hung to dry. Ancient Romans understood the importance of drying cloth fully between uses to prevent bacterial growth. Hang yours on a hook or bar between washes. Fixing all 10 habits won't eliminate every trace of bacteria permanently. Daily cooking rebuilds some level of buildup within hours regardless of technique. This is about stopping active recontamination, not achieving a sterile kitchen that stays that way forever. Under $7 total to fix every single habit on this list versus the $40 plus a month you're likely spending replacing sponges, sprays, and wipes fighting against these same mistakes. If this called out something you're doing right now, hit that like button. It tells me what to break down next. Subscribe to The Big Sweep if you want more of these. Drop a comment telling me which mistake you're guilty of, and I'll tell you exactly how to fix it. Click the link in the description box below to join our free cleaning community. Stay sharp out there.